The reason this has become incredibly urgent is because my fellow British pensioners and also company owners and business owners and professionals are getting poorer whilst the overseas ones are not, for a very simple reason. When you've got a job and you're putting money into a pension, most people don't even realize that goes into a fund which invests in the stock market. Or if they know that, they don't realize that they could ask questions, where the heck is that going? And most fund managers will invest in the domestic market. Nothing bad about that. I'm British. I'm delighted they're investing in the domestic market. The problem is, since 1999, the 100 largest British companies have increased their value by 0%. So chances are your pension stinks compared to if you happen to be American. Now, governments of both colors, Conservative, Labour, want pensioners to be rich, believe it or not. Politics aside, they do. So they don't mind if you invest in non-British companies, in global companies. And that's the first thing. We're going to look at those 10 CVs, not just from a narrow gene pool of UK-only companies, but from a global gene pool. So when you invest in an American company, let's say, or a Chinese one or whatever, and we'll narrow it down what you might want to look at least you have the security, you can click a button and be exited. But more importantly, they're earning and you're bringing that return back to the UK and spending it in Britain anyway. So it's good for your pension, it's good for the country.